Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
To truly excel in Clash Royale, you must first grasp the core mechanics. It's all about understanding card interactions and the basic counters. For instance, a well-placed mini P.E.K.K. can swiftly eliminate hog riders, while a strong splash damage troop like a wizard can clear swarms. Start by identifying the role of each card in your deck and how it addresses common threats. This foundational knowledge is your first step to consistent wins. Building an effective deck is paramount for success. Your deck needs a solid win condition, like a golem or hog rider, paired with strong defensive support cards. Strive for an average elixir cost of around 3-5, allowing for quick cycles and flexible responses. Every card should serve a purpose, covering various threats, whether airborne units, ground swarms, or powerful tanks. A balanced deck ensures you're prepared for most opponents. Elixir management is perhaps the most critical skill. Always strive for positive elixir trades, meaning you counter an opponent's expensive push with fewer elixir points. Understanding your card cycle is also vital. Know which card you'll draw next to plan your plays effectively. Never overcommit elixir, especially early in the game, as it leaves you vulnerable to a strong counter push. Patience and efficient elixir use will significantly improve your win rate. Smart troop placement can drastically alter the outcome of a battle. Learn to kite enemy troops towards the middle of your arena, allowing both princess towers to target them, maximizing damage. Activating your king tower early, particularly against cards like Goblin Barrel or Miner, provides significant defensive power. Always protect your squishy splash damage troops by placing them behind a tank or a high-health unit, ensuring they can clear swarms safely. Continuous improvement comes from consistent practice and self-analysis. Watch your replays to pinpoint errors in elixir management, card placement, or timing. Regularly play on the ladder and in challenges to test new decks and strategies against diverse opponents. Crucially, stay informed about the ever-evolving meta, understanding which cards and archetypes are currently dominant. Adapting your play and deck to the meta is key to climbing higher in Clash Royale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.